Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to talk about Mitolyn, the supplement that promises to naturally and effectively help burn fat. But before we dive in, let me remind you, the official website to purchase Mitolyn is in the video description. It's crucial to buy from the official site to avoid adulterated products or even situations where you don't receive your order. Mitolyn is produced in the United States and sold worldwide, garnering thousands of positive testimonials online. Thousands of people are already experiencing the real benefits of Mitolyn and transforming their lives. And if you care about taking care of your body, especially if you're diabetic, you'll understand the importance of investing in a natural supplement that, unlike medications, doesn't cause unwanted side effects. By choosing Mitolyn, you are opting for a product made with natural ingredients that supports fat burning without the risks associated with conventional drugs. It's no wonder that many experts recommend supplements like Mitolyn for anyone looking to take care of their body in a healthy and effective way. And listen, this is a unique opportunity. Act now and secure your Mitolyn before stocks run out. Remember, the official website to buy Mitolyn is in the description of this video. Don't waste time and risk headaches with unsafe purchases. Take advantage of this opportunity while it lasts and join the thousands of people already reaping the benefits of Mitolyn. So, if you're ready to take a decisive step on your fat-burning journey and care better for your body, click the link in the description and get your Mitolyn right now. Don't wait. This opportunity is available for a limited time only. Thank you for watching. And once again, don't forget, to purchase Mitolyn safely, visit the official website in the video description. See you next time.